Hello friends, Miss Kyra here. Today you will only be hearing my voice, but that's okay. We're going to have a lot of fun together. We're going to be learning how to count objects. To get your brain ready to count different things, we are going to practice counting 1 through 10 with this fun song. Sing or count along at home. Here we go.
You can order DVDs and more from our website and click the button that says subscribe. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Here we go again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Here we go again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Here we go again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Here we go again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Great job, friends. When counting, it is very important to touch each object and only say one number, just like this. 1, 2, 3. Start counting slowly to make sure you're counting correctly and get the right number. The last number is the number of objects. When counting the smiley faces, the last number I said was 3. There are 3 smiley faces. Let's try something else. Whoa! Sonic's here. Watch how I count the Sonics. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are 5 Sonics. Again, I counted nice and slow, and I pointed to one object at a time. If I counted as fast as Sonic can run, like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, I wouldn't have found that there are only 5 Sonics, because I would have said too many numbers, and I wouldn't have only counted the 5 that are there. Let's try another one. Whoa, there are a lot of rainbows to count. I'm going to make sure I count slowly and only say one number for each rainbow. You can count along. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 rainbows. Great job, friends. You're doing a wonderful job counting with me. Now, I want you to try to count the cats on your own. When you figured out how many cats are in this picture, hold out that number with your fingers. I'll give you a minute to try it on your own. Be careful if you're on your laptop or if you're on an iPad. Do not touch the screen. Just try to point to them without touching it, because that might mess up this video for you. Don't forget to hold up your number of fingers when you're done counting, so I know how many you found in the picture. Okay, let's try together. 1, 2, 3, 4. If you're holding up 4 fingers, you did it. If you didn't, that's okay. Counting takes some practice. 4 cats. Ribbit, ribbit, let's count some frogs. Count the frogs on your own and hold up the number of frogs that you count. I'll give you a minute to count them. Remember, be careful and don't touch your screen. But put your finger by each frog so you make sure you count each one and give it one number. All right, start counting. All right, let's count them together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Did you count 6 frogs? Are you holding up 6 fingers? You did. Great job. You guys are doing such a great job counting. Give yourself a hip hip hooray cheer. Hip hip hooray! Hip hip hooray! Hip hip hooray! The more things that you count, the better you'll get at counting. Now, I want you to try counting things around your house. Find something fun. Maybe for dinner you have chicken nuggets. Count how many chicken nuggets you have on your plate. Or maybe you have a cool doll and you have some clothes for it. Count how many clothes you have for your doll. Maybe you have a car collection and you want to count the number of cars that you have. Whatever you want to count around your house, be ready to share what you counted with all of your friends. All right? Thank you, friends. Goodbye.